Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ravinder Kaur back again with the new video which is based on the topic how to be a fluent English speaker. We all meet many people in our daily life who speak English so fluently and we think like how they can do it so effortlessly, and when we try it we get stuck. Why? Because either we think speaking English is very difficult, or we think speaking English is a matter of just 2 a day or it's very easy. But it's not like that. For anything in your life, you have to practice regularly. And if you do practice on regular basis, you can definitely do anything in your life. There are you may have read many books in which they say start doing this and you will start speaking English in 15 days, or you may have read many videos which say do this and you will start speaking English in 5 minutes. But how's that possible? It's not. For everything in your life you have to practice regularly. So there are some tips in this video which if you follow regularly you will definitely be able to do it. Start with short sentences. See, when we are in our KG classes, teacher says start making short sentences even in our native language. But if you go for long sentences, then it's very difficult. Similarly, even in here, when you are saying or when you are speaking something in English, try to go for short sentences like okay I do it, okay good job, it's I'll help you. So go for short sentences. This will really help you out. Read novels and short story books. This is very important. Reading books is a very good thing. It also increases your knowledge and helps you to know about so many things, but it also helps you to get very well in your language also. It can but if you really want to be a great English speaker or very good at English, go for reading books. But people say we can't read novels because reading novel is very difficult or it's very lengthy and consumes time. So go for short stories, right? Read them one or day, every day read one story, and you will get to know about so many new words, their spelling. Go for their English pronunciation in dictionary and their meaning also. So many words will add up in your vocabulary. Try to talk in English with friends or family. We do things, I think, comfortably with the people whom we think okay there will be no problem if I do them or if I say it to them. So this way it is really okay. So try to speak English with your friends and family members, and it will really help you out. Even if you say wrong sentence, you can change it and you can say it correctly again. Try to have a person who speaks English really well in your life, so you can get contacted to that person every day. Remain in their contact so you can speak English with them every day. Try to talk to them every day, so it will really help you out and it will enhance your English. Watch English movies, cartoons and animated movies, right? When you watch something, it definitely affect your mind. Okay, so you get things unconsciously also. So this way try to watch English movies so you can get their accent and the way they pronounce things, and this is really gonna help you. Try to watch animated movies because they are interesting also and they are very simple, and the characters in them they use very simple English, so go for them. So and watch a movie regularly or twice a week somehow, so you can get so many new words. listen to the podcast and songs, right? This is also very helpful. When you listen to the podcast, you get to know so many new things, and it also enhances your knowledge. Go for the slow English songs, right? This is really gonna help you, and you will get the actual pronunciations, the native speakers, the way they speak things or the speak words. Do chatting in English. This is social media age, right? And we all use Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Twitter in our phone. So try to do chatting in English. Again, start with short sentences. Then when once you are good at short sentences, go for the long sentences. Try to use English in your chatting, so it is really gonna help. Practice before mirror. If you really want to be a great English speaker, that you want to speak fluently, so practice it before mirror. I think this is also my personal experience. It really helps you. If you practice before mirror, then you can see your expressions, your gesture, eye contact. There it is very, I must say, important that you say, okay, if I speak English in front of mirror, you will definitely know, okay, I speak like this, but I should speak like this. So you can get the difference, that what are the changes you should make. Have confidence in yourself and be positive. This is so important. If you have confidence in yourself, and then if you say, okay, I can do it, then you will definitely do it. But if you say, okay, I can't do it, and you will have that negative mindset, okay, I can't do it, so this is not gonna do it. This confidence and be positive attitude, it helps you in everything. Not even in English, it can help you in anything in your life. So be positive and have confidence in yourself, and you will definitely do it. Observe speakers' accent and follow accordingly. Whenever you watch something in English, or you listen to the song or animated movies, podcast, try to get their accent, what the speaker is saying and how he or she is pronouncing it, whether it's American accent or a British accent. Try to get the difference between the both, and it is my suggestion, if you really want to learn English, and if you really want to get the proper accent, go for the British accent. And because it is very easy, and it is the real accent, I must say the original accent, which you should follow for learning English. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any kind of doubt, any query, any suggestion, anything, kindly comment it in the comment box, and kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this.